Welcome to Coding Classic. In this CSS tutorial part 1, I will teach you how to center a div horizontally, vertically, and in a center position. How to center a div horizontally. Looking at the screen, you will see an example centering a div using HTML and CSS. At the right side is the output. Firstly, we will explain what div mean in HTML. Div is a fundamental element used to create a division or a section within a web page. As you can see in our HTML, the first div contains all our work. In our CSS, we started from the container class, which is the first div. We gave it a width of 200 pixels, which determines how much horizontal space the container occupied. Then, next is height of 200 pixels, which determines how much vertical space the container occupies. Next is margin of 50 pixels, which refers to the space outside the border of the container. Next is outline of 1 pixel with black color, which is the line that is drawn around the container. Next is display flex, which is a powerful layout model that allows you to structure the arrangement of elements in a more flexible and efficient way. Next is justify content center, which is moving all the content at the center horizontally. Finally, the circle div, which is the content of the first div. Styling elements of the circle div are width, height, border radius, and background color. The border radius of 50% form the circle shape. The second is centering a div vertically. The elements are same with horizontal centering except the line item center, which centers the content vertically. Finally, centering a div in a center position. As you can see, the circle is located at the center point of the container. The difference between this example and other previous examples are the use of both the justify content center and align items center, which change the position to center position. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you.